Hello people of YouTube, my name is Brad, this is my channel Animate Orange, and if you're watching this, you might already know all this. What you're seeing here is me basically revisiting the ICONX or Premium Series London Eye, which I built over 3 years ago. The video has been out since a little over 3 years, and somebody finally pointed out that I made a mistake in building that model. I simply forgot to clip out a ring on the inside of two of the parts of the wheel, and that's what I'm doing. It's pretty simple to clip out. I'm just going around and clipping the few connection tabs, and here in just a moment you'll see me pull out the ring on one side. But yeah, it's been over 3 years. I didn't realize I made a mistake, and after 3 years of being on YouTube, somebody finally pointed out that this little ring, which probably just helped give it and keep its shape when it was in the sheets, was supposed to be removed before I finished the model, and I didn't. I forgot. And so I sat down, took a few moments, set up the camera, and filmed myself making a 3-year-old correction to my model that I never even realized the mistake that I made. Unfortunately, I didn't have to disassemble anything. The only piece that didn't fall right out is this back piece, but I don't need that piece, that ring, so just clip it so that I can split it in two and slide it around, and there we go. Those two parts right there were supposed to have been removed. And now just to pinch in the pieces that were holding that ring on, because I couldn't pinch them in with the ring being there, at least not effectively. And there you go. So yeah, just a quick short of me correcting the model. Thank you for watching. As always, keep on keeping on.